sidewalks covered up in snow.
Alright. You might be wondering why I am awake this early in the morning. It's because I just got done teaching my classes. And now I'm going to take a walk to go get some hot chocolate because it's that time of the year where you go get hot chocolate. If you guys are wondering if now is a good time to apply for VIPKID, there we go. Yes, it is. People who have gotten hired in the last month or so have been getting booked within their first month, whereas in the summer there were some people that it would take them up to 3 months before they got their first class. But most people it takes around 2 weeks or so. So now's a really good time. Plus, we're just heading into the holidays. And if you want to kind of get a little bit of extra cash for Christmas presents or traveling expenses, it's actually a perfect time to get started. The hiring process itself, before you even get a chance to get hired, should take around 2 weeks. But you could honestly get it done a lot faster. So I would recommend applying now. If you have used my link, then I can see that you are going through the application process. I can see every step that you do. So if you have started the process and have not used my link, but want me to give you some more one-on-one help, you can just let VIPKID know that I'm your referring teacher. So the hiring process right now, since they changed it a couple months ago, it's similar, but it is a little different. Okay, so the first step is apply. Make sure that you have at least 2 years of experience teaching and a bachelor's degree. And then after you apply and get invited to an interview, you will go into a live interview where you are teaching the My Feelings lesson, which I have a video about that one. Some people choose to do a recorded interview. That's going to be the same thing, My Feelings, but this time you're just doing it with a recording. Some people are invited to do a really short 3-minute interview, but I think that's by invite only. That will determine if you get hired on. It'll also determine your pay rate. The next step is just to move on to the mock classes. Now it's called the Certification Center, and that's where you teach like the letter X and the letter P. Our lessons have changed at VIPKID, where level 2 is interactive. So go into the certification center. It'll make more sense once you get there. But yeah, you'll have to do a mock class to become certified for level 2 interactive, level 3, and levels 4 and 5. So you have a choice. You can go through the certification center and become certified for all the available levels before you even get hired, which is what I recommend. Or you can just get hired with 1 or 2 of those certifications, and then later down the road, after you've taught X amount of classes, then you can become certified for another one. And that's kind of the end of the road there, just past that mock class. They'll have you fill out the background check and upload your profile picture and things like that. Now, the reason why I say now is a really good time to apply for VIPKID is that once you pass that interview, you pretty much got the job, because they give you unlimited amounts of tries to pass the mock class or the certification classes. That's awesome. Obviously, there are some people that probably should not get hired, and that's why they have failed. Some teachers are super close, and all they need is just a little bit of guidance and just to understand how to pass. So email me. I will help you through the mock class and also the interview, and any other questions you have, just email me, and then we can Skype and go over the lesson together if you want to. Okay? See you guys.
Sometimes I just wish that I could always feel this way, like it's Christmas every day.